channel. Friends, in today's video I am going to talk about how to speak English very fluently and confidently. Friends, as you know that there is no shortcut to speak this language. We have to do practice a lot to speak and learn this language. Friends, first of all, let me tell you that when I started learning this language, I used to do practice a lot. Whenever I got time, I just started speaking, and I took one concept and I kept on speaking on that concept continuously for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And in the beginning I faced difficulty in speaking. I found difficulty in speaking, but friends, gradually I saw changes in myself. I saw that by doing regular speaking practice, I got to know how to arrange the sentences, how to frame sentences, and I started getting confidence. So friends, if you are the one you also want to become a confident speaker, if you want to become a very good communicator, so first of all you have to believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself that if you are trying to speak this language, if you are devoting your time towards this language, so definitely you will learn this language. First and foremost, you have to believe in yourself that you can do it. This is the process. This is a process, and you have enjoyed this process. Don't take any type of burden on you that you are learning this language. Just enjoy this process and try to speak and try to speak as much as you can. Friends, you know what? Earlier, I was not so much fluent in terms of speaking, but one thing I had in my mind, I had believed whatever I'm speaking correct. I never focused towards mistake. I embarrassed my mistake because I knew that I am committing mistake here and there. But there is a very good thing that if you are focused towards your mistake, so definitely you will lose your confidence. You are not going to learn anything, you are not going to achieve anything. And if you are focused towards your goal, so nobody will stop you. You can definitely achieve your goal. So in order to gain fluency, you have to avoid mistake, you have to ignore mistake, and by ignoring mistake, by avoiding mistake, you have to keep forwarding ahead, and you have to keep learning new things per day. Okay, and friends, in order to gain confidence, you have to start doing regular practice, because the more you practice, the more you will be comfortable towards this language, and the more you speak to the people, the more you will get ideas and thoughts, how to speak, how to convey the messages to others. So a lot of things you will get to know by speaking, by talking to others. If you are gaining a chance to talk to someone, so go and start speaking. Don't think in your mind that if you are talking to someone and what would happen if you commit a mistake. Means or not, error is human. Everybody commits mistake. So if you are the one who is committing mistake while speaking, so what would happen? Nothing happens. Because this is a process, friends. This is a process. If you take action, without taking action, nothing will be happen. If you think that when you becomes perfect, you will start speaking from that day, so that day would never appear to you. you have to take action. You have to take action. By taking action, you will definitely get to know a lot of things. If you start doing regular practice, so by doing regular practice, definitely you will gain experience. You will commit mistake, and experience actually gives you confidence, because confidence comes from experience. So friend, this is a process. Just enjoy this process, because everybody in the beginning, everybody commits mistake, and if you are the one, you think that it's only you who is committing mistake while speaking. So if you stop speaking, so you won't be perfect in terms of speaking. So you have to speak a lot. You have to take challenge. You have to follow formula ROTP, because this is the best formula. In order to get fluency and in order to get confidence, you have to follow this formula, friends. Whatever you read, whatever you listen, just think for some time, just observe and try to speak with your throat and mouth, and definitely you will see changes. Every English learner learns this language by doing this kind of activities, and nobody will stop you to learn this language. You have to focused, determined, devoted and consistent towards this language.